Professor Diamonds, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the hospital. I have my Medical Director, Dr. Kujo Sabin, here on the far right. Next to him is the Director of Finance, Nana Yim Awe.
The money man.
He also doubles as the Twansehne. I have my Director of Pharmacy, Mr. Opemsuo here. And then I have the Director of Human Resource, Reverend Anthony Udro. So Mr. Minister and your team, you are very much welcome. On behalf of the board and management, together with the staff of the hospital, I want to say congratulations to you on your appointment as a Minister of Finance for the Republic. You're welcome, Minister.
Thank you. You receive us at short notice. It is in recognition of the fact that you are just like we the politicians. You're all our soldiers.
When you are called upon anytime, you are ready to respond. So thank you very much for that. But essentially, we are here. I'm here with the Chief Director of the Ministry of Finance, the Director of Economic Research, Strategy and Research, the Director of Planning, and then also I have other members of staff from the ministry, key staff from the Ministry of Finance. This is because this visit is just to afford us the opportunity to see the work that has been done in the maternity block project, which is being funded by the government of Ghana. You know that we face challenges sometime as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, and then also the Russia-Ukraine war and other international as well as domestic issues that somehow negatively affected our public finances, as a result of which we had to declare debt suspension, which affected key projects government is doing across the country. And the Konfanochi Hospital maternity block is one of those projects that suffered as a result of the debt suspension. But the good news is that His Excellency the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, desirous of ensuring that the commitment he's made to the people of Ashanti region and to the people of Ghana to complete these key projects is not jeopardized. He has directed that we find money to complete the project. And so in this year's budget, the 2024 budget, we made provision to complete that project. The details, I believe, His Excellency, the President himself, will be making a statement on that. But I am here to see the state of affairs at the project site and also to assess challenges that are being encountered by the contractor and the hospital administration as far as the project is concerned. And to assure you that once the statement is made by His Excellency, we will move very quickly to comply with the directive by the President. But you already should know by now that the contractor is back to site. If he's not back to site, then he's remobilizing to come to site, because we've made some payments in this January, about 7 million euro released to the contractor to enable him come back to site and complete the outstanding works. As far as we know, the contractor is a very good contractor. It was the cash flow challenges that brought the project to temporary suspension, if you like. But given the efforts we are making to resource the contractor, we believe that this project should be completed sooner, so that the people of Ashanti region, the people of Kumasi, can begin to derive benefits from the project. So this is essentially why we are here. It's a short visit, but I'm very happy that I've come to meet you and your management, and I will appreciate to hear from you what are the challenges you want to bring to the attention of government. Appropriately, we should have been here with the Minister for Health, but you know that there have been some changes recently, and so we will be briefing the new Minister for Health so that he's brought up to speed with development on this project. But for today, I've come to see things for myself so that I can begin to appreciate the enormity of the outstanding challenges and then work harder and quickly to address those challenges. So I thank you very much.
Help improve service delivery so far as maternal health and child health are concerned. I believe that with your support, we should be able to do more for the people of Ashanti region and beyond. Thank you.
Ashanti region is being given so much attention. I mean, as far as the health sector is concerned, this morning the minister briefed us on the number of health sector projects that government is undertaking across the region. About 36 health infrastructure projects across the region, and he's asked for our support to work with him to ensure that by June, July, 20 of these projects are commissioned. And so we are going to sit down with the Minister for Health and discuss how we could fast track whatever support we can mobilize to ensure that these projects are commissioned for the benefit of the people. And so you can see that government is doing so much within the health sector in this region already, and the completion of the maternity block will add significantly to the infrastructure, the critical infrastructure that is required to provide quality medical services to our people. And so I can assure you that government is very serious about these projects, and we will work closely together to get them ready for use by the people.
Right. So thank you very much, Mr. Minister.